Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to finish up this seedling starter hood. It's a beautiful day today. It's about 37 degrees, which means it's going to be, 50, maybe 60 degrees in the greenhouse, which is going to make it wet over there, but I'm going to run this over there regardless. So I need to find, I got my tubing cutter. If you watched the last video, I got this stuff kind of cleaned up and organized, and that last slat wall in place. So I need two 4-foot pipes, which are going to go across the top from here to here, and those will hold up the light. You'll see how that works in just a second. Well, I made a little bit of an oopsie. Nothing major though. This entire time I've been working on this cat has been bugging the hell out of me. She's been stuck in the house so much this winter that she really wants a lot of attention. So when I was trying to put these on, she was right here in my way the entire time. So I had to wait probably 15 minutes until she got enough petting, and then she went outside for a second. But she heard me talking, and now she's back. But anyways, this sponge tape goes completely around that opening. It needs to seal it off pretty good. Then once this is hung, it gets hung up and over the bar in the top of the greenhouse. Once that's hung up, the lights will be suspended down through the hole using those S-hooks there. And then on top of that, right on top of here, covering up this opening will be, I'm going to probably use a piece of foam, but I can use anything that'll stop water from the greenhouse from dripping down into the lights. The lights have fans on the top of it blowing heat out, so I can't block that off. They need this hole to ventilate, so it'll ventilate around the sides. And this sponge tape, when the greenhouse gets warm and there's frost on it, which there will be for quite some time now, this will be getting full of water, and I don't want the water running down into the lights. That'll stop the water from running off of this, or running into that opening instead of off the edge. That's also why I don't have a board going across here. It has to drain. Okay, so now if I can get around this cat for just a minute or two, I'm going to get this on. It has to be, this is so hard working with this cat like this. And if I throw her outside, she'll whine and howl outside the door until I let her back in. So just got to keep petting her until she has enough. Okay, cat, let me work, okay? So I'm going to get this on, and I believe that's it for the top. Then I'm going to haul this over across the road. It's starting to get a little windy out there, so I got to get this done, if she'll let me. Get this done, get it over to the greenhouse, and then that'll clear this out of here. And then I think I'm going to be getting the rest of this organized in the next video. But let's get this done first. Well, that's going to have to do it. The wind is picking up already, and there's some pretty damn strong gusts out there. I can hear it from in here, so I'm not going to chance breaking this thing. So I'll bring that over probably tomorrow when it's a little bit less windy. So I got a lot of work coming up out here. I'm going to clear off all these benches, get everything up onto shelves, and put the plastic over that opening so that I can do the drywalling in this room here. So if you want to see that stuff, make sure you subscribe and click on the little update icon so that you receive notice when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.